you ever meet someone for the first time and, it's like you want to talk, but it's really hard to get a conversation going? But unlike me, you actually want to get a conversation going. This is difficult. Totally get it. F.O.R.D. When you can't get a conversation going virtually, let alone, face to face, mask to mask. Anyway, it usually leads to those awkward silences, uncomfortable stares. But here's something that can help you. F.O.R.D. Now, not Ford cars or even Ford acronyms like fixed or repaired daily or found on road dead. Oh, it's funny because I don't own a Ford. This one, each letter represents things that you can talk about. Family, occupation, recreation, dream. But here's the thing. You get them to talk about their family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. You won't have a problem making conversation. People love to be found interesting. Try it next time you find yourself struggling to maintain or even start a conversation. So what do you do when you're first meeting people? My favorite is always to do, oh my God, what's that behind you? It doesn't always work. Let me know what you do. Comments below.